Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, variables are used to store and manage data. Sometimes, you may need to split the assignment or definition of a variable across multiple lines for better readability or due to the length of the content. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to work with variables that span multiple lines in Python. You can assign a value to a variable in a single line using the equal, smiley face, operator. For example, this is a straightforward way to define variables, but what if the content is longer or more complex? For string variables that span multiple lines, you can use triple quotes, or. This allows you to create multi-line strings easily. You can split a statement across multiple lines by using parenthesis. Python will consider the expression as continuing on the next line until it encounters a closing parenthesis. For example, the backslash can also be used for line continuation. This is useful when you want to break a line without using parentheses. When working with lists or dictionaries, you can spread the definition across multiple lines. For long statements, you can break them into multiple lines for better readability. Breaking variable assignments across multiple lines in Python enhances code readability, especially for complex structures or lengthy content. Whether you're working with strings, mathematical expressions, or data structures, Python provides various ways to handle multi-line variable definitions. Choose the method that best fits your coding style and the specific requirements of your project. ChatGPT.